SCVR, and today we're playing some monkey battles. It's gonna be a 2v2, so let's get right into it.
How dare you copy me? I'm the only my extreme ability of fighting people. What is it?
And if you die, you can't come back to life.
Oh, you can't come back? Oh, well, shucks.
Bro, why aren't you helping your teammate? Why aren't you helping your teammate, Green?
Green, what are you doing? Vengeance. Yes, Green. No.
Oh, your green teammate fell off.
Yes! Come on, we just have to kill this one more, then we win. No, I will not die. Alright, bye. I gotta go. Oh, bye. No.
Yeah.
No, my dash couldn't save me. No. That was my plan. My plan was to counter with dash. Rusty, I'm gonna be watching.
Now it's a 1v1. It's a 1v1 now. No.
I win.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. I won. Hey, don't start yet. That we have. Hey guys, everybody meet up at the club. Everyone meet up at the club. Meet up at the club. Hey, Rusty,
guys, could you wait for me to gain like 40 banana real quick?
Why? Why? Why?
Pop 4,000.
Hey, do you want some candy? Free candy. Free candy.
No.
Candy. You want some candy?
Oh no. It doesn't exist. This does not exist. This is all an illusion. You're living in simulation. Wake up. Wake up.
Wait, if you're here, aren't you? I'm gonna know shit. I have.
No, I'm not real.
A J-Man curly card.
Me too. Follow me. I have it too. No joke.
They're gonna Pokemon battle. They're gonna do
choose. You are Pokemon. I choose. I think they're.
Blue, have you? Hey, Blue, do you have the only up badge?
Yeah, I actually do. Don't I have it on?
No. Well, guys,
Do I have it on?
we're gonna do one more round, and then I'm gonna have to end the video.
Dude,
Guys, let's do one more round. One more round.
Wait.
One more round. One more round.
Oh wait, power roll. Guys, we have to pick a power.
I am. I need you to wait for me to gain 1,500 so I can buy that new power.
Which power are you gonna buy? None of my business. Well, actually, it is my business. So what
No.
are you gonna buy?
I feel so small.
Oh.
The speed boost on.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Mine has something to do with power.
Well, no shit. Every power has power.
No. What about slippery body?
That's a
That has,
power.
like, at all.
That's a power.
Really
Okay, there's only two.
That's
Okay, you only made it two.
basically no power. Can't do anything with that.
You guys gonna buy gravity?
I need 10 more.
Are you gonna buy gravity?
No.
Oh, I know what he's gonna buy. He's gonna buy dash.
What's Dash can do?
Maybe.
Am I right? Am I right?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
What does
I
Dash
know
even
it.
do?
It makes you look. I
Like
have it. I can show you. I can show you.
in your camera direction, so I can like if I
Yeah, I
fall off,
have it. I have it. I
back onto
used
the
it,
island.
guys. How did it? I have it. Sam, come. Look, this is what Dash do.
Oh, so it's basically just flying.
No, you can't do it forever.
It has a really
It
long
has-
cooldown though. I think.
Yeah, like a,
So,
like a,
but
about
it's
20
basically, but
second
if you
cooldown.
fall off, you should just down and you will be back on.
No.
Yeah.
Basically. Guys, do
Got
you
it.
wanna?
I got it.
Okay.
Wait,
let's
guys,
go.
do you wanna race? Do you wanna race? Do you wanna
Yeah,
race?
let's race.
Okay, go down to caves. Go down to the caves.
Go down.
Yeah, go down to Minecraft, but go the
What about
opposite way.
you
to
know like
Minecraft.
Minecraft isn't the thing down. There's like a thing where you can fly and it's like a cave race.
Yeah, it's race. It's race.
No, we're gonna do
It's
the.
literally
Oh,
race.
yeah, I could do the race. Oh, I thought you meant. Oh, I thought you meant Minecraft to the force.
Okay, fly with your left trigger.
Point your where you want to go.
Okay, guys, follow me. We're wait for another guy. Did you start it?
Yeah, but I'm not in
Yes.
yet.
I started it.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
he started it.
I thought he was here. But I'm going.
I'm right behind you, Blue.
On your left wrist.
Hell no!
It should say
Meow!
who's the winner is when the race is over. It's not one lap.
What you say? It's more than one lap.
Yeah.
I thought there was only one.
There's only one track. You gotta go around it. And it should say on your wrist when it's over. It should say winner. You know what I mean?
I still don't know how to control this.
Yeah, you basically point your. You basically do what you want with your
Yeah, but how do I
hands.
turn?
You get pulled forward with your thumb point.
You turn with your hands. You basically do whatever. And this is fun as hell.
Yeah.
Green, I'm coming for you.
Bye.
Why can't I go up?
Is this basically a Mario Kart? Oh. Anyway, is this the end? I've gotten 3 laps.
Oh, I won. Oh, no winners, Leo.
Yeah! Wait, how do you see?
On your wrist.
On leaderboard?
Your wrist.
You wanna do it again?
No.
Yeah, but I don't know. Dude, if you go to the exit, yeah, you're gonna be stuck there, dude. Oh, shit! Dude, this is fun! Come on. Okay, look. You press both of these triggers. No, I'll teach you how to,
Nah, I don't wanna.
Hey, do you wanna do Minecraft?
No.
Let me show you the world. I wonder where green went.
Green.
I saw a green headset.
Green
from-
dead.
Yeah, because I saw him frozen, so I like, this is my chance. Meow. Hey, dude, look at this. Help
What?
me!
Well, bye guys.